Good morning, legislatures. My name is Jennifer Malater, and I have been working at Dilworth, a Title I middle school in Washoe County for 13 years. I am pleading for an increase in funding for education, especially teachers' salaries, by a minimum of 20%. As a wife and mother with a master's degree, we could not afford to send our eldest son to college, and he ended up joining the National Guard so that the military could pay for his university. Although his dream has always been Army, he wanted to wait until his degree was finished so he could be an officer rather than an officer enlist. The wages I had been paid for much of his life did not allow me to support my own child in his educational journey. Additionally, I have been physically assaulted directly twice by students and indirectly more times than I can count, because there's simply not enough educators in the building to properly monitor and manage behavior. Why would anyone come to teach in Nevada, when even with a $2 billion increase still puts this state at 30% below the national average? Per pupil funding is abysmal, which impacts the student performance statewide. My two younger boys are in kindergarten and second grade, sharing the same special education teacher, which is unjust to my boys as their grade levels are drastically different. We need to recruit and retain our teachers, but how is that possible when someone with my degree can go into another field and make a significant amount more money without the fear of being assaulted at work? There are countless stands Nevada must take to change the trajectory of our education system, and it has to start now. There is an ample amount of funds in the Education Stabilization Account, with more being put into it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the rainiest of rainy days in our state's history. These funds should be used today to support the Time for 20 as well as the Respect for Educators Act. If we can get more adults in the building and classrooms, then we could actually teach without the decline of behaviors in our own mental health. Being able to teach will increase our student performance, but with such shortfalls, anything less than 20%, there will not be gains in Nevada. It's not that we aren't trying, there's just not enough of us.